To set up voicemail on Motorola Moto G86 5G, first of all, you will have to open the phone dialer and now go into the right upper corner three dots, go to the settings, and now you will have to go for voicemail. Now, first of all, by going to the advanced settings, you have to just select your carrier. In my case, it's actually selected as default, but in some different regions, you have to actually sometimes set it up manually. Now you have to open for the setup and just make sure that you have set up the correct voicemail number for your carrier. If you don't know this number, you can simply make a phone call to the support. They will gonna give you this information. And now, once you actually go back from this one, you can find this voicemail over here. In this phone, actually, I cannot use the visual voicemail. But now, if I want to set up my voicemail, like set up voicemail greetings or delete some voicemails, I will have to open the phone dialer, and now I have to click and hold one button where there's the voicemail icon. Now you will make the phone call to your voicemail, and all you have to do is just to simply listen to the comments that you have in your hand speaker. So you have to, in the most cases, press some numbers to enter for some specific functions, and then just simply record your greetings, change your greetings, or whatever you want.